What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a bent over dumbbell row. So the difference between the barbell and the dumbbell bent over row, is you can get a greater range of motion with dumbbells because you can get more of a stretch in your lats, which means more muscle engagement. And you can fix any muscle imbalances that have been bothering you for a while. Because when you're always doing barbells, you start to get muscle imbalances. Because one side is stronger, so it makes up for the weak side. So let's get into it. First, get in position, feet shoulder width apart, grab some dumbbells, and bend over, because it's a bent over row. So bend your knees just a slight bit. You don't need to over exaggerate bending your knees, but the back has to be straight. So you should not be parallel from your back to the floor. You should be about a little bit higher, but you should still be straight, no arch in the back. And you should be fine. I'm gonna show you later from a side position so you can better understand what I'm talking about. Like here, I'm gonna show you now. So feet shoulder width apart, bend over, bend your knees slightly, bam. This is the perfect position. You see, I'm bent over, so my lats do most of the work, and my back, and my back is straight. So no arch, which means no injury, perfect form. So the next major key by the bent over row is don't just move your arms, guys. A lot of guys, they make the mistake, they just move their arms, back and forth, and that's a bent over row. That's not a row. It's called a row because you're rowing with your back. So you really gotta feel the lats and the back when you're rowing the weight towards you. And when you reach the top position, you should really focus on squeezing your back together. So just look, going up, bam, a second pause at the top, squeezing the back, really keeping tension in the whole back area. And then going down slowly. Go down slowly, extending all the way. What that's gonna do is you're extending the lats completely, so you're getting the full range of motion. So extend all the way, then go up, second pause, squeezing the back, and repeat. So that's a perfect bent over row. You see? Straight back, no arch. And really, the majority of the work is done by the back and the lats. So, here's another one from the front. See? Just bend your knees slightly, a little bit bend in the back, but no arch. Your back has to be in a straight line. And when you're performing this exercise, from the down position to the top position, the dumbbell should go in a straight line. See? Like this. So this is the it's really important with all of these exercises to focus on perfect form and full range of motion. Now this is the last set I'm going to show you. This is a little bit heavier, because earlier I was doing lighter sets, so I have an easier time showing you the form. Now this is my normal working set with some heavy dumbbells. As you can see, my form, despite the heavy weight, doesn't degrade. The form is still the same. Now the major key is don't jerk your body. Keep your body in place and just move your back and lats. Let your lats do the work. Don't jerk your body back and forth, up and down, and you'll be fine. So, thanks for watching, guys. That was it for this video.